how I can get to kids and help them be more successful?
I think, right. So here's my thing, man. Being that I coach high school football, I've seen a lot of stuff that's wrong with our education system, though. Right? Like I literally saw our education system really, I got a lot of teacher friends, but it's really failing our kids. You got let's just take the football angle. So many kids, that I've seen, you push them football, get a scholarship, go to college, right? It don't even matter. Just do good at football, go to college, right? Well, there's some of these kids who are good at football in high school, but really don't want to go to college, right? If they don't get that D1 offer, they don't want to go to college. And then it's like, what else have we prepared them for? All we told them to do was football, college, move on, right? Like I've seen this with my own eyes, So me personally, what I've been doing already is I got some guys that text for me, right? So they're my lead generators. They text me back. They're all former football players. I got 5 of them right now, right? I either coach them all, or one of them is my son's roommate. He's on the football team in Edinburgh, right? Right. So they all do some entry level lead generation stuff for me, but at the same time, I'm teaching them real estate, right? So like
skills, bro. I had no skills. Yeah. I had to do real estate because I had no fucking life skills.
Yes. Yeah. We got to give them other options and saying, go to school and get a job, because like a lot of these kids don't want to go to school and get a job. I mean, we got entrepreneurs in the street who can start businesses, but like they were taught to only do one thing, So it's like, you got to show them other ways. I mean, I was the coach who who owned real estate, who would come to practice and say, hey, look, you better buy some Bitcoin. Right? No other coaches. This was 2017.
No other coaches telling you that, bro.
I was telling my players in 2017 to buy Bitcoin, right? No other coaches were even talking about Bitcoin, right? They were joking, making fun of me. But look, now these kids are like, oh, coach, you told me back like 4 years ago you told me about Bitcoin. Yeah, because I'm trying to teach you something besides, like, I'm the entrepreneur who also was coaching, where most of the coaches were still teachers in the building, or they were educators. So we had different kind of mindsets. My mindset was like, if you're good at football, take this to the top level. But if you're not, I've told many kids, if you're not going to the NFL, right, then do you want to do this? Because if you don't love it, if you don't love football and you go to college, you're going to drop out. I see it all the time.
You're going to drop out.
They go to college, they're going to just quit and come back home, right? So don't waste time, right? If you want to get into this, get into that, get a trade, learn this, learn that. We got to kind of build. Our schools aren't building any kind of like plan for our kids. It's just like, hey, go to school, graduate, go to college. And those kids who don't want to go to college, right, they just come back home and them not knowing what to do.